Ready to transform your credit score with a powerful tool? Let's dive into exactly how to use your Navy Federal secured credit card to build or rebuild your credit, manage your deposit, and master the terms and conditions. First, understand the purpose of a secured card. It's designed for individuals with limited or damaged credit history. Your credit line is secured by a cash deposit you make upfront. This deposit minimizes risk for the lender, making it easier for you to get approved. Next, responsible usage is key. Treat this card like any other credit card. Make small, manageable purchases each month. Think gas, groceries, or a streaming subscription. Anything that you can easily pay off. Payment history is the biggest factor impacting your credit score. Always pay your balance in full and on time. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim to use no more than 30% of your available credit limit. If your limit is $200, try to keep your balance below $60. This shows lenders you can manage credit responsibly. Monitor your account regularly through the Navy Federal app or website. Check your balance, available credit, and payment history. This helps you catch any errors or fraudulent activity early. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions. Understand the APR, fees, and any rewards programs offered. Knowledge is power when managing your finances. Finally, remember your security deposit. Once you've demonstrated responsible credit use for a period, you may be eligible to have your secured card converted to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. Start building a better financial future today with Navy Federal.